Okay, Nick, here's the cowl off shot. Zoom in here. Just actually got to fly it today. Everything went well. I'm not sure what all to talk about in this one. Just trying to give you a good look. Let's go back up here. Like I said, I haven't had no problems, no leaks or anything that I'm really aware of. Here's the front. Give you an idea of what we got on this thing. Starter. So I'll give you a, can't really see in there. Airbox. I guess this is the Vans one. It's built in with the round Canon air filter. The heat muff, as you can see right here. Texas isn't as cold as where you live, so hopefully you have enough heat. Here's this side. Engine data. Like I said, just put about an hour and a half on it this afternoon. Does not have a spin on oil filter, so it's just the screen, as you can see. Haven't noticed any metal. Oil cooler, this thing runs very cold. So that would be something to think about, like the some kind of way to obstruct the oil or the airflow for the oil would be a consideration for a cold climate flying with this airplane, because it does not have a primer system. So that's something to note. No primer system. So when it gets really cold, you got to warm it up somehow to get it to start right. It starts great when the weather's warmer. Magneto. So I don't know what else you might want to see. There it is. Like I said, the baffling does have that crack. Try to give you a close-up of it right there. It runs, like I said, very cold though. It's a challenge to get that thing up above 180 when the temperatures, like today, it was about 60, almost 65 degrees. And I had to slow it down, run it at higher power to get the oil temperature to come up. It's got a central loop cam in it, so it supposedly gets oil to it faster during the start cycle. What else we got? This side. Oh, there was another baffle back here. It's hard to tell. But eventually, I guess that baffling may vibrate a little bit back here with that crack at the top. That's about it. You can see it's been run today, not leaking anything. Pretty good running motor. That's all I've got. Hopefully that helps. Give you one more review.